What causes condensation on a cold glass? Imagine holding a glass of ice water on a warm day and noticing tiny droplets forming on the outside. That's condensation happening right before your eyes. But what exactly causes this? Let's explore the science behind it. When warm, moist air surrounds a cold glass, the air is holding water vapor, which is just water in gas form. Because the glass is very cold, it cools the air right next to it. As the air cools, it loses its ability to hold all the water vapor it contains. When the air temperature drops to the dew point, which is the temperature at which air becomes saturated with moisture, the water vapor turns into tiny liquid droplets. These droplets cling to the surface of the glass, creating that foggy, wet look. The amount of condensation depends on how humid the air is and how cold the glass gets. If the air is very humid, meaning it has a lot of water vapor, you'll see more droplets form. If the glass is extremely cold, it cools the air even more, leading to more condensation. This process is part of the water cycle, where water vapor in the air changes back into liquid water when cooled. It's the same process that forms dew on grass or fog in the morning. When the warm, moist air touches the cold glass, it cools quickly, and the water vapor condenses. Once the glass warms up again, or the moisture in the air drops below the dew point, the droplets evaporate and the condensation disappears. This simple act of water vapor turning into liquid on a cold surface is a perfect example of condensation in action. It's all about the temperature difference and the amount of moisture in the air. Understanding this helps us see how water moves through the environment and why we sometimes see foggy windows or damp glasses. So next time you see droplets on your glass, remember it's just water vapor turning back into liquid because of the temperature change. It's a tiny, everyday demonstration of a fundamental water science process that keeps the water cycle moving.